Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and securing your data. First, make a time machine backup or a full clone so you can recover if anything fails. Once backed up, free up 2035 GB of space and install any pending High Sierra updates to avoid installer conflicts. Next, open the App Store or Software Update, locate Macos Monterey, and click Download. While it downloads, close non-essential apps and note your Wi-Fi is stable. This reduces installer errors and speeds the process. Once the installer finishes downloading, launch Install macOS Monterey from your Applications folder and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to choose a target disk and may need to unlock File Vault. Enter your password when requested. The Mac will reboot several times and show different progress bars. This is normal. Make sure the Mac is plugged in, on reliable Wi-Fi, and avoid interrupting power. Monitor for any installer errors and note any specific error codes. They guide the next troubleshooting steps if needed. After installation, you'll walk through the Setup Assistant, sign into your Apple ID, enable iCloud, and review privacy permissions. Once at the desktop, update all apps and check system preferences for customized settings you may need to reapply. If hardware or peripherals misbehave, reinstall drivers or reset SMC/NVRAM. If the Mac won't boot, try Safe Mode first. If that fails, boot to recovery to run Disk Utility or reinstall Mac OS. And if necessary, restore from your Time Machine backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.